Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Paek from Seoul, Korea. In my lecture in 2024 Neobiotech World Symposium, we'll embark on an insightful exploration of implant fixation and immediate loading techniques, which is CMI and its variants. Throughout our journey, we'll navigate the intricacies of different fixation zones and loading possibilities, shedding light on key concepts and practical recommendations. Central to our discussion is the understanding of CMI, CM fixation, MI, C fixation, and I fixation. These concepts form the backbone of implant stability and immediate loading feasibility. The crucial aspect we'll emphasize is the significance of fixation area in contrast to overall insertion torque. While insertion torque is important, it is the quality and distribution of forces across fixation zones that truly dictate loading suitability. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the keys to optimal implant fixation and immediate loading success. Through a blend of theoretical insights and practical applications, will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the complexity of implant dentistry with confidence. Thank you and see you soon.